thunderstorm was located near Foreston, or 8 miles southeast of Freeport, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Freeport Airport gusted 60 miles per hour. Source, automated weather equipment. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Foreston, Leaf River, Adeline, and Baileyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Until 1:30 a.m. At 1:06 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Baileyville, or 7 miles southeast of Freeport, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Freeport Airport gusted 60 miles per hour. Source, automated weather equipment. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near German Valley and Rydot around 1:10 a.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Alberta's Airport and Stevenson County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in the Quad Cities.
Is Tornado Watch.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 446, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Carroll, Stevenson, and Whiteside, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Green and Rock. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
There goes a Tornado Watch.
Wisconsin, southwestern Dane County in south central Wisconsin until 7 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles west of Blanchardville to near Darlington, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Monroe, Verona, Mount Hood, Darlington, Belleville, New Glarus, Monticello, Argyle, Blanchardville, Wheelock, Blue Mound, Fayette, Lamar, Jordan Center, Howley, Mount Vernon, Yellowstone Lake State Park, and Woodford. Other landmarks included are the following location: York Memorial Church. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once to the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south central Wisconsin. Wisconsin, northwestern Greene County in south central Wisconsin until 7:15 p.m. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Argyle, or 7 miles east of Darlington, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include New Glarus, Monticello, Lamar, Yellowstone Lake State Park, and Jordan Center. Take cover now. Move to the basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Lows in the lower 70s. Chance of thunderstorm warning for northern Lafayette County in south central Wisconsin, northern Greene County in south central Wisconsin, Iowa County in south central Wisconsin, northwestern North County in south central Wisconsin, crosswinds, Belleville, New Glarus, Mazo, Mamie, Shorewood Hills, Brooklyn, and Whitehurst. People attending Orient summer festive advisory firearms pond and Marie Stevens Field should seek safe shelter immediately. Some landmarks include the Wisconsin State Capitol, Pine Middle, and Grand School. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Greene County in south central Wisconsin, west central Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 7:45 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Argyle, or 7 miles northwest of Monroe, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Brodhead, Orchardville, Albany, Footville, Hanover, and Jordan Center. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. A tornado watch remains south central Wisconsin. For the development of including tornadoes, large hail and damage winds for the following counties in Wisconsin: Columbia, Dane, Dodge, Greene, Iowa, Jefferson.
Called it. Greene County, yep, I called it.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Greene County in south central Wisconsin until 7:30 p.m. At 7:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. 30 knots become severe weather information. This is Noah's.
Caught me off guard.
For Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Thursday, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Friday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh my god, I cannot record the PDS at this point.
Tornado were located stemming from 8 miles north of Janesville to near source. Radar indicating both 3 to following Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois. Wilmette Harbor to not damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations and tactics include Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Williams Bay, Walworth, Montana, and there are Gables Corners, Tibbetts, Allen Grove, Miller, and Delavan Lake. People attending Neil Diamond tribute should seek safe shelter immediately. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Winnebago County and northwestern Snow to northern Lake Henry County. issued a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service open waters from Winter Harbor issued the city out to mid-lake until 10:50 p.m. Central Daylight. Tornadoes can develop severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. for Wildwood counties. At 8:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line. East Coast, Wildwood, and their Clinton, moving east into
I'll wait for them to relay it.
Harbor around 9:35 p.m. Harris, Beaver, Cribs, Bellevue Harbor, and Diversey Harbor around 9:40 p.m. Monroe Harbor, Harbor around 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight. 31st Street Harbor around 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight. And Jackson Harbor around 9:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the forecast. Wisconsin to Pentwater, Michigan north.
They did the marine warning this late? KXI 41, you gotta be kidding me.
County.
Wait, KZ 76. You're not doing it yet. Yep, there it is.
Severe thunderstorms will be near Crystal Lake, McHenry, Woodstock, Antioch, Fox Lake, Lake Villa, Lake Mirror, Long Lake, Piscataqui Highlands, and Volo around 8:45 p.m.
The place you went to.
Grave Lake, Round Lake, Wakonda, Island Lake, Lindenhurst, Round Lake, Venetian Village, in Third Lake around 8:50 p.m. Gurnee, Mundelein, Libertyville, Cary, Gages Lake, Hawthorne Woods, Grandwood Park, Lake Barrington, Wadsworth, and Oakwood Hills around 8:55 p.m. Waukegan, North Chicago, Vernon Hills, Zion, Lake Zurich, Beach Park, Long Grove, Park City, Green Oaks, and Tower Lakes around 9 p.m. Lake Forest, Winthrop Harbor, Lake Bluff, Kildare, and Forest Lake around 9:05 p.m. Buffalo Grove, Highland Park, Lincolnshire, Highwood, Riverwoods, and Bannockburn around 9:10 p.m. Wheeling, Northbrook, and Deerfield around 9:15 p.m. Glencoe around 9:20 p.m. Including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 26. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 26. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KZ's 80. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan.
For a few more minutes here and continue to monitor the situation. Make sure that you're
Oh my gosh. Shut it to 10.
North Central Illinois, Lake Illinois. Source, radar, street impact, rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, shoreline areas, and other forward drainage areas. Arlington locations that will experience flash flooding include Rockford, Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Caledine, Buffalo Grove, Crystal Lake.
There, they relayed it, finally. Dang, Racine.
Vernon Hills, Woodstock, and Zion.
Damn, Nike Pros, okay.
Flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take
This is
immediate
not accurate.
precautions
No, it
to
isn't.
protect life and property. The following is a special Marine warning from the National Weather Service. Southern Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 10:15 p.m. At 9:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Winnebago to near Byron Canal. At 50 miles. Hazard 60 miles. Radar indicated. Impact. Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Rockford, Byron, Oregon, Mount Morris, Rockford Airport, and Stillman Valley around 9:25 p.m. Davis Junction around 9:50 p.m. Cherry Valley around 9:55 p.m. Including the following Interstate 39 between mile markers 104 and 122. Prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan. New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 25 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor to 18 nautical miles northeast of Montrose Harbor to 8 nautical miles northeast of Wilmette Harbor, moving southeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Buffalo and Michigan City. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty wind and high waves are expected. Davis Junction to 6 miles south of Stillman Valley, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, cloudy with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near 5 p.m. Kingston around 10:10 p.m. DeKalb, Sycamore, General around 10:15 p.m. Cortland around 10:20 p.m. Maple Park around 10:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Fairdale, including the following interstates: Interstate 88 near mile marker 98. Interstate 90 between mile markers 29 and 31. Prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows.
Kane County, right? Yup.
The National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for in Kane County, Illinois, until 11 p.m.
Wind showing up near
At 10:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Genoa to near Hampshire to near Sycamore to near Cortland, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour. Damage to roofs and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hunley, Grove, Hampshire, Elburn, Maple Park, and Lil 30 p.m. Elgin, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Geneva, South Elgin, and Gilbert's around 10:35 p.m. Aurora, Bartlett, Algonquin, Batavia, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, West Dundee, Sleepy Hollow, East Dundee, and Wayne around 10:40 p.m. West Chicago and Barrington Hills around at 10:45 p.m. Including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 102 and 120. Interstate 90 between mile markers 42 and 56. Prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. This is Nose Weather Radio QZ 81 Lockport. Severe weather forecast to occur in per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Benton Harbor, St. Joseph, Fair Plain, Benton Heights, Watervliet, Coloma, Lake Michigan Beach, Paw Paw Lake, Riverside, Shoreham, Spinks Corners, and Milburn. This includes the following highways: Interstate 196 between mile markers 0 and 7. Interstate 94 in Michigan between mile markers 26 and 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday for the following county: Berrien, Michigan.
It's for us. It is indeed for us.
Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near South Belgium to near Canton Hills to near Albert.
I have to use my iPad. I gotta clean this up.
Source. Radar indicated. Impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Aurora, Bartlett, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, St. Charles, West Chicago, Warrenville, Wayne, and DuPage Airport around 10:50 p.m. Naperville, Wheaton, Glendale Heights, Roselle, Bloomingdale, and Winfield around 10:55 p.m. Downers Grove, Lombard, Addison, Glen Ellen, Lisle, and Itasca around 11 p.m. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 270 and 276. Interstate 88 between mile markers 121 and 140. Interstate 290 between mile markers 5 and 15. Interstate 355 near mile marker 12 in between mile markers 15 and 30. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
We're in possible tornado.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spawn a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy
We
structure.
might be under a tornado warning.
Prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows.
Wait! Severe thunderstorm warning! Bro!
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Cook County and Northeast
Cook County, where's... Okay. They're gonna relay that on FM.
Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lombard to Downers Grove to Woodridge, moving at 45 miles per hour. Hazard 70 miles per hour.
I'm about to get hit by a non-warned severe thunderstorm. This is dumb. Well, not like severe warned, but dude, there has to be a tornado on that storm.
Severe thunderstorms will be near Melrose Park, Maywood,
Look at that.
Hinsdale, Westchester, Colon, LaGrange, Meridian,
Most Walmart stores have
around 11:15 p.m. Chicago, Cicero, Irwin, Oakmont, Justice, Summit, Bridgeview, Forest Park, and Free Hills around 11:20 p.m.
I don't know what else to say.
Midway Airport,
Look at that. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know what they're doing.
Chicago Lawn, Bridgeport, Englewood, Blue Island in their west side, City, Auburn, Gresham, Evergreen Park, Crestwood in Marionette Park around 11:30 p.m. Severe thunder. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement.
If you spot a tornado,
Structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
oh, there they go. There goes WLS.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
They ain't gonna do that.
until midnight. At 11:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lombard to Downers Grove to Woodridge, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Thunderstorms will be near Melrose Park, Maywood, Brookfield, Hinsdale, Westchester.
Flash flood warning.
The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southern DuPage County in north central Illinois, Lee County in north central Illinois, southeastern Oakville County in north central Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in north.
It's for us.
Across the warned area, between 1 and 3 inches of rain. Sunday, north of rain have fallen. Multiple automated rain hazard, flash flooding, flash flooding or small streams, creeks, and some roads. Hazard, flash flooding, source, radar. Impact, rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chicago, Aurora, Naperville, Elgin, Cicero, Hammond, Evanston, Schaumburg, Wilkesboro, Skokie, Des Plaines, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Wheaton, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, McCall, Lombard, and Bartlett. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather